know that for admission to some of the most prestigious private day schools in the US, there is actually an exam where guessing is not just allowed, it is practically mandatory? Well, unlike the SSAT, which punishes you for wrong answers, the ISEE gives you a free pass to guess. But here is the catch. You can take it only once per season. If you bomb the test in November, you cannot retake in November. You have to wait until winter. If you are an NRI parent navigating the maze of private school admissions, understanding these hidden rules is the difference between an acceptance letter and a wait list. Hi, I'm Gurpreet from Wizdomi. So we specialize in personalized one-on-one live tuition for K-12 and competitive exam preparation. So today I'm going to decode the Independent School Entrance Exam or ISEE. I'll explain the 4 different levels, the mysterious Stanines score, and why this test is the preferred choice for math students. First, the basics. So the name of the test is ISEE. The authority is ERB. Purpose is admissions for independent schools. So it tests both aptitude and achievement. It's the dominant test for day schools in major US cities and it's accepted by international schools. Scores are somewhat valid for the current admission cycle only. Now the ISEE is broken into 4 levels based on the grade your child is entering. For primary, I would say for grades 2 to 4, lower for 5 to 6, middle for 7 to 8 and upper for 9 to 12. Now the main test has got 5 sections: verbal reasoning, quantitative reasoning, reading comprehension, math achievement and an essay. The key feature is that notice there are 2 math sections. Well, the ISEE puts a heavy weight on quantitative skills. Now for the registration, you must create a parent account at erblearn.org. Fees is somewhat in between $155 to $200. You can take it online at a Prometric center, at home or even paper at school. Here's your biggest advantage. That's the no penalty rule. On ISEE, a blank answer is a 0. A wrong answer is a 0. But a lucky guess is a point. And the technique is if there's just 1 minute left, then bubble everything in. Timeline, I would say you can start 4 to 6 months before the test. So you need to study analogies and ISEE does not use them. It uses sentence completions. On exam day, you should always arrive 30 minutes early. No calculators allowed and mental math would be the key for this. Results come somewhat in 3 to 5 days for online tests. You will receive a Stanines score ranging from 1 to 9, 4 to 6 is average and 7 to 9 is in high performance. Now here's a retake policy also. You can take the test only once per season and the seasons are fall, winter and spring. In USA, ISEE is the standard for independent day schools. In Canada, while SSAT is more common, many top schools accept the ISEE. Now let's answer the top 5 questions. Is the essay scored? No. A copy is sent to the school. Which is harder, ISEE or SSAT? Well, ISEE math is harder. SSAT verbal is harder. Can we mix and match the scores? Generally not. What is a good score? A Stanine of 7 plus is definitely competent. And how can Wizdomi help? So we specialize in quantitative comparison questions. The ISEE is a test of strategy as much as intelligence. So knowing when to guess and how to pace yourself is half the battle. If you want to find out if the ISEE is the right fit for your child's strengths, just click the link below to book a diagnostic assessment with Wizdomi. So I am Gurpreet and I will see you in the next video.